The Physical Properties of Matter by Mrs. Weeks. All matter is made of elements. Elements can be divided into three categories: metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Elements are put into one of these three categories based on their physical properties. Physical properties are characteristics that describe an object. Some examples of physical properties that you may already know are size, color, shape, weight, and texture. Scientists use different physical properties to describe elements. Some examples of the physical properties that scientists use to describe elements are luster, malleability, and conductivity. Luster is used to describe the way light reflects off an object. Some elements are lustrous. That means that they are very shiny. Some elements are dull. That means that they are not shiny. Malleability is used to describe how easy it is to bend something without breaking it. Some elements are malleable. That means that they are easy to bend or shape and won't break. Some elements are brittle. That means when you bend or shape them, they will break. Conductivity is used to describe how well an object transfers heat or electricity. Some elements are conductors. That means they transfer heat or electricity very well. Some elements are insulators. That means they do not transfer heat or electricity. Some elements are semiconductors. That means they transfer heat or electricity better than nonmetals, but not as good as metals. Metals are elements that have these physical properties. They are lustrous, malleable, and conductors. Nonmetals are elements that have these physical properties. They are dull, brittle, and insulators. Semiconductors are elements that have these physical properties. They can be dull or lustrous, brittle or malleable, and are semiconductors. To recap, elements can be divided into one of three categories: metals, nonmetals, or metalloids. Metals, nonmetals, and metalloids have different physical properties. Metals are lustrous, malleable, and conductors. Nonmetals are dull, brittle, and insulators. And metalloids are lustrous or dull, malleable or brittle, and semiconductors. Make sure you watch this video as many times as you need to until you know the physical properties of the three categories of elements.